Hello and greetings, my friend Matt Schifferly here with another video here on the RDP YouTube channel. This one's to announce my brand new upcoming micro program, the Beginning Calisthenics Strength 28-Day Launchpad Challenge. And this is very different from other types of fitness challenges or calisthenics challenges that are out there, because most challenges are all about, okay, you've got a very short period of time and we're gonna bash, thrash, and trash your mind, body, and lifestyle to try to make as much happen in that short period of time, which basically by the end of it leaves you feeling exhausted, burned out, and maybe you got a little bit of what you wanted, but let's be honest, you're not going to make a whole lot happen in only 1 or even 2 months of time in the long scale scheme of things. So the Beginning Calisthenics Challenge is built with a different objective. Instead, it's all about building momentum and motivation over those 28 days. It's particularly suited for those who are beginning in their fitness journey, beginning in a calisthenics journey, and they're feeling like they're kind of a little behind the 8 ball as far as strength and ability goes, or those who are coming into training again after a long layoff or a hiatus, and they just need to get that momentum going again. So instead of a challenge that's about basically driving you to the limits of your body, mind, and lifestyle, it's about starting you off easy, ramping you up so that by the end of the challenge, you're more motivated to take things to the next level or do the whole thing all over again and just keep building up that unstoppable momentum for much more real long-term progress. It's a pretty simple program. It's 28 days in 4-day segments where each segment has 2 days looking at a particular technical detail that you really need to dial in to get the most out of your exercises, and then 2 very simple basic micro workouts that you apply those technical changes with. And not only is it the PDF, but it also includes comprehensive videos on how to do all of the exercises in a more detailed format, so you're not just reading a PDF and trying to get everything you need from just that on your screen. It's also a print-outable PDF with scanning QR codes to get to the videos if you need that way as well. So link is down below if you're interested in checking it out on the Red Delta Project PDF store. It's also available on Amazon as well. And let me know if you have any further questions down in the comments. Love to hear from you. Best of luck in your workouts this week. Be fit and live free.